in my DM. You should see them, run game like ESPN. Yeah, me and my bros, and a whole bunch of bitches. Take them home like Miss Simpson, cause we just wanna party and bullshit. Gave her the cue, now she all on my pool stick. Super wavy, surfboard, she turn up, that's a turn on, yeah. You gotta see this shit to understand it. Living out this world and I ain't gotta plan it. I figured out, I ain't gotta figure it out. No sleep, fuck dreams, rather live them out. Just got me a whiskey bottle. Yeah, alright. I'll be drinking till tomorrow morning. And everybody on one tonight. Ain't nobody gonna kill my vibe. Can you feel it? I know you feel it. Oh, this feeling. They like he's so funky, we so skunky. Not Andrew, but damn dude, I feel so lucky. Cause I've been doing great, nothing fake. Who got something to say? That's okay, I'm on the beach chillin', fuck your shade. Cause I got hoes on my right hand, some more on my left hand. No, it's not a wet end, but I am the best man to be with. Like G said, I mean it, I love this feeling. I ain't saying that I know the way. It's funny, those who know the least got the most to say. And I figured out, I ain't got it figured out. No sleep, fuck dreams, rather live them out. Just got me a whiskey bottle. Yeah, alright. I'll be drinking till tomorrow morning. And everybody on one tonight. Ain't nobody gonna kill my vibe. Can you feel it? I know you feel it. Oh.
I